Hey guys, it's Pickles. Welcome to another video in what's actually looking to be a pretty nice day here in southern England. About half an hour ago it was absolutely pissing it down, but it looks to have cleared up, so hopefully we'll get some decent footage today. It's a bit of a minor apology really for the style of this video. It's very different to what I've been used to doing, partly due to sort of constraints with my equipment and the fact that it was sort of quite rainy and also quite windy. So as you'll notice, I didn't really give any running commentary during the majority of this video, so a lot of it's just going to be walk-arounds and sounds, things like that. But from my perspective with this kind of meet, what you guys really want to see is the cars and hear the cars, hopefully. So that was really the focus for me, and it was a good opportunity to network and meet some of these guys, like-minded guys, for future videos. And if you like this, let me know. If you felt it was missing something, also let me know. But it's something different, and I thought I'd try it out. So thanks very much. So then, I don't know how much of that footage is going to come out. Don't know which of those videos are going to work or not. I had a few errors with the microphone, bits and pieces throughout there, but I guess it's a learning curve. Really good turnout in the end. The weather managed to hold for the majority of the few hours that I've been down here, and as you'll have seen, Aventador, 458, Mclaren 570s, M2, M4, you know, it's a lot of range of cars there, putting mine to shame. Unfortunately, I parked quite close to sort of the entrance of you know, the place we were all staying at the beginning of the event, and I got quite quickly surrounded by cars that actually just made mine look pretty standard, to be fair. So yeah, it felt a little bit out of place, but you know, not really. Everyone's very welcoming, really nice, and hopefully look to catch up with some of these people in the future to maybe do some videos with those guys. So I've already had a chat with a few different guys that have got similar sort of cars as mine, you know, a few hot hatches, if you want to call them, to do a few comparisons, and also some of the nicer sorry, not nicer cars, you know, the higher end sort of vehicles, the Lamborghinis and things like that. I'm going to try and see if I can get some rides in those cars, because they're just incredible, as you'll see from the sound of that Aventador as well. That V12 is incredible. So yeah, really good turnout, really good day, and hopefully start of things to come, and we'll see some videos that come out of this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit of a change this time, not so much focused around the BMW. Hopefully that's a good thing for some of you. A bit of a change up for the books, and some different cars featured in there. So please remember to subscribe if you're interested in seeing some future videos, which there will hopefully be a few more of now. And I just wanted to say a big thank you for all of the subscribers so far, and everyone who's been following, and all the views, that kind of thing. It's been really good to see that people are enjoying my videos, and I hope that I can keep making content that people enjoy. So as per usual, do leave comments and let me know what you think, what I should be focusing on, what I should be doing, what I shouldn't be doing, and I'll try and integrate these sorts of things into the future videos. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.